Hey everyone, and welcome back to Just Prom Does Business. So I posted a video that explains how to choose between creating a new team, adding a channel to an existing team, or just leveraging chat within Microsoft Teams. So this is a video 1 of 3 demos that I'm going to do specifically around those topics. So today we're going to talk about how to create a new team within Microsoft Teams. Let's get started. So to create or join a team, you go down here to the bottom left corner and we'll click where it says join or create a team. Now, you're going to see in a minute here a bunch of other teams are going to show up that are already created in my organization. So in the upper right, I can search if there are specific teams I'm looking for. But I'm going to click create team because we are going to create a new team from scratch. Again, you can see there are options. If you already have Office 365 groups, you can create from one of those so you don't have to recreate the wheel, but we're going to start a team from scratch. Now we have 2 options. What kind of team will this be? We can choose between private or public. If you're creating something like a regional team, I suggest making it public. That way you don't have to accept everybody who wants to join. But if you're working on something more private, obviously a private team might make more sense. We're going to go ahead and click public team, and I'm going to give us a team name and a description. You can always change these later. So here you can also see we have a classification as confidential. And if I click show me more, there's a couple of different options. I'm just going to keep this as confidential, but again, you should make that decision based on what you plan on doing within the team and the information that will be stored. Then we click create, and here we go. The team is created. Now, this is where we can add members to the team. I'm going to type in a teammate's name. I click add, and here you can see she has been added to the team. Now, if you notice on the right, I have 2 options, either member or owner. I always recommend having multiple owners for a team. Not everybody needs to be an owner, but that will help to spread the workload for managing the team. It's also great if you happen to move on to a new role within the company, there is somebody else who can manage the team so you don't have to any longer. I click close, and here we are in our brand new team. And you can see it gives me a couple of options for getting the team started, such as adding people, creating more channels, or a frequently asked question. In the channels video, I'll go into a little bit more detail on the different types of tabs that you can add for your team. Hopefully that video was helpful and maybe you even followed along and created your own new team. Either way, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get notifications when I post new videos.